In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to run a bagfile. We've already downloaded from Cybers and run it on the catvehicle simulation. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit different. First of all, we're not going to be launching the neighborhood environment. That's because the houses are there and we just want to see what the vehicle is doing. Okay, so let's go ahead and source our terminal here. So source devel setup.bash. Then we're gonna launch ROS launch catvehicle. Instead of neighborhood, now we're gonna do empty dot launch. Alright, so now let's open a new tab and let's source it. So source devel setup.bash. Let's visit the ROS topic list. And as you see, there's way less topics than what we saw before when we were launching the neighborhood. Okay, but we can still launch it. So just do gz client to launch gazebo. And there we go. And there should be an empty environment, so there's nothing there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and spawn the vehicle. So what that means is just we're going to go ahead and add the vehicle into the environment. Okay, so to do this, you do ROS launch, or first source. So source devel setup.bash. Then we do ROS launch catvehicle and catvehicle. There we go. And then we do underscore spawn dot launch, and then we do robot. The name of the robot is going to be catvehicle. Well, there we go. X value of 0 and Y position of so X of 0 and Y position of 20. Okay, then we're going to do backslash yaw equals to 1.57079632679. So everything looks good. Alright, so now if you go over your gazebo here, you can see that the catvehicle is there. Now to run a bagfile, right, so go back to terminal, open a new tab, source it, okay, we're going to run something called ROS bag play. So you do ROS bag play, and then before that, let me go ahead and list the bag files that we have. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and run the test number 10 here. That would be this one here. So I'll go ahead and run that. So do ROS bag play, then test 10, and if you do tab, it auto completes for you. Then you do topics. You have to list the topics that you'd be using, in this case catvehicle, vel catvehicle vel equals to slash catvehicle cmd vel So let's go ahead and run that. Alright, so let's go over to our executable client, and as we can see, we have a bagfile running. So in this case, this is just moving straight and stops there. And then it keeps on moving. Okay, so some of the things you can see here is the time and the duration of the bagfile. You can go ahead and pause it, or you can go ahead and step on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause it. And that is how you run a bagfile on your cat vehicle simulation.